इस प्रकार इस कथा को हम लोग श्रवण किया और इसमें ईश्वर के साधन के 25 गुण के बारे में हम लोग भी श्रवण किया। फिर 9 महीने के आलम्बन
So we have heard about all these things in the general forms. Alammanudipan. So we have discussed about all these things. Vibhavanubhav Sattvic Vyachari. So how by mixing up all these ingredients, how ras have manifested. So there are 49 types of ingredients. We can relish the taste, relish the ras. In this way, Dasya Sakya Vatsalya Madhurya. So we have heard about all these ras katha. Is it okay now? Please check. Is it okay? So by the performing the bhakti, when your heart is clear, when your heart is clear and happy, and then when the all Prem Madhurya Leela of Govind manifested. So what is the speciality to relishing all the rases in this material? So in this material we are all going for the jad ras, the material rases, massive material enjoyments. Not only this birth, many infinite words like Ananta Karor, many crores births we have taken. So by the Maya, Jeev attracted. That's why it is said in the Ras Shastra. There are many kinds of Ras Shastra showed. So there are all husband and wife, lady and gents. Mix of rases are there. When a lady and when a Stri or Purush, Hans or Hansi, if they are separated for some time, then let them leave. They spontaneously will mix up each other because so the opposite sex, they always meet each other according to their sanskar, because they have this kinds of sanskar impression for last previous birth. It's not only for 1 month, or not only this birth, for last many births. So they are attracted towards Maya, and so that's why they have this kinds of impression, so that they get attracted towards each other's. Even this is called the Bhokta Abhiman. Mayavadaji has always been Bhokta Abhiman, that I am the enjoyer. It is for the infinite words, because they have this kinds of impression in their hearts. That's why we always used to say, sometimes we have in our mind, we came in mud and we are living together. So we are not only one family. We are came from different family. Not only one parents. We have different parents. So we are coming from the different parents, and we have different kinds of impression. Some are sattvic sanskar, some are rajik sanskar, some are tamasic sanskar. So we all have these kinds of impressions. Are you getting, or Ramanand not? Everybody has their different sanskar. It cannot be end up very easily. So we have this kinds of sanskar in our heart. So when the time comes, so that glorified, that sanskar glorified. Just like give an example, there is a paddy grain. When you cut the grains from the earth on the fields, so what happen, it will lay down on the fields, but when the times comes, it will regrain. It will be sprouted, it will be sprouted again. So when the time comes, when the rains will come, that will be sprouted again. So at the time of season, that will sprout it. So we cut the potatoes. So we see, so there is sprout a little bit. If you put in the, so if you put here in the non seasons, so there will be no potato. But when the season will come, the potato will be there. So every time comes with the according to the time. Every time this comes according to the time, because there is a time limitation of everything. When we used to go to parikrama, we have seen the batua. This kinds of sag. So we have seen that whenever we go to a parikrama, so we see that. So I am giving you an example, that's a material example. In our heart we have this kinds of impression, but we have to destroy this sanskar, this impression, and we have to develop the transcendental impression. So whatever the material sanskar impression we have in our heart, we have to destroy that. So that's why two forwards of bhakti, kleshagni. So in the sadhan bhakti, there are two bhakta. What is kleshagni and the kleshagni? Kleshagni means, some people I have heard kleshagni, destroy. Gni means destroy, not kleshagni, it's kleshagni. Kleshagni, this is the right pronunciation. It's kleshagni. Gni. Gni means to cut. It's not kleshagni, it's kleshagni. Many people used to the kleshagni. It's not kleshagni, it's the right pronunciation. So what is kleshagni? It means the prarabdha, aprarabdha, all the sanskar, all the impression will be destroyed. Avidya, vismita, rag, dvesh, avinivesh, papish, put, even papa vasana. Even the papa vasana, the desire of committing sinful activities, will be destroyed. Even we have so many kinds of prarabdha work, prarabdha, that all be destroyed. That is, we are saying this impression, this sanskar, which is apasanskar, the bad impressions will be destroyed. Because until we have the material sanskar, so we cannot get the transcendental impression. until we have the material impression, the material desires. So the transcendental things, transcendental impression cannot be manifested in our heart. Kamna means so we have kamna. What kinds of desire? We have desire. What kind of desire? Material desire and the transcendental desire. So the gopi have the calm that is aprakrit calm, that is the transcendental calm. So until we have the material desire, the sense of enjoyment, till then the transcendental impression, the transcendental desire cannot become in our heart. So the the material desire cannot be destroyed. We cannot get the transcendental desires. So that's why it is in the sadhan bhakti, it is saying the klishagni. So the ganada, to destroy. We have so many kinds of material impressions. They are sitting in our heart. So while performing bhajan and sadhan, then all the bad impression, the material impression, the bad impression which are sitting on our heart will be destroyed, will be far from our heart, and then we will get the transcendental impression. So in this way it is saying, so after hearing the katha and all, gradually anarth, we will be free from all anarth. So after hearing the nectarine katha of Bhagwan, so whatever the mud, the dust we have in our heart, that will be removed, that will be washed away, washed up. So after that Bhagwan will reside in our heart. Just like one friend goes to another friend, when so that friend doesn't say, oh please sit here, this is your seat. He doesn't say that this is mud here, this dust here, and clean it. They himself clean and sit there. In the same way, after hearing the nectarine katha of Bhagwan, so Bhagwan will enter into the heart of the listener through the ears, and he will sit on the heart. Spontaneously, there is without any invitation. Bhagwan is saying himself that I will clean all the anarthas. Hari Bol. Bhagwan in the 11th canto is saying to Uddhav, in this words, the Jeev is wandering for last so many births, when according to their fortune, when he will get my shelter, then myself, when myself destroy his all the anarthas and sit on his the heart of the sadhak. So Bhagwan is saying himself. So the katha we were discussing about. So the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, when we get the relish of the rasas, the transcendental chit sanskar, the transcendental impression we get, here is shown in the shloka.
उसी प्रकार पूर्व जीवन की अनेक साधक भजन
No No glucon
हृदय में जो अपराध वासना उत्पन्न होता है,
अरे सॉरी
और वही संस्कार के द्वारा ही वो धीरे धीरे निर्मल चित्त से संस्कार की जरूरत होता है। या कथा सुन रहे,
so you are hearing this katha, so after hearing this katha there is a sanskar in
स्वयं भगवान
Bhagwan.
चित्त के कैसे कोमलीकृत कर देते, बिल्कुल करा के
So Bhagwan himself melt your heart.
आज एक व्यक्ति के यदि मिट्टी यदि नरम हो तो उसमें कुम्हार क्या करते हैं?
So if the mud is very soft, so the potter himself made so many kinds of pots. When that mud is dry, so the potter cannot made any pots. So everything is available there, but still without, when the mud is dry, so potter cannot make anything. What is the meaning? When the heart is pure and clean, the simple, then it will be happen. So the person who have firm faith, he can get the knowledge. So in this way here it is saying, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is describing so the Ras Madhurya will gradually manifest it. So now we are carrying forward this katha. So the Krishna Goswami, the person who is non-devotee, Advaitvadi, Mayavadi. So in the scripture, whatever are saying, so there are some little bit bad words for Mayavadi, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, if Mayavad enters in the heart, so the heart will be like a stone. If once Mayavadi philosophy enters in the, what is Mayavad? So they don't think, they are not accepting that the Vigraha of Bhagavan is Sachidananda. This is the first fault of them. That Krishna is Vigraha, this is not the Sachidananda. This is the first fall of Mayavadis. Because Brahma Samhita is saying Ishvara Param Krishna Karanam. But Advaitvadi is not accepting this. Brahma is saying himself. Advaitvadi is saying Brahma is covered and attracted towards Maya by the Maya and came in this world as a Jiva. So he is achadit, covered by the Maya. Brahma is covered by the Maya, and that's why he is called himself a Jiva. Brahma Satya, Jiva Mithya. So this is the Moola, this is the Mool Vakya, is sentence of Mayavadi philosophy, Shankarvad. That's why they are saying that Bhagavan himself, he has the Sachidananda Vigraha from Vaikuntha, Dwarka, Golok Vrindavan. He has a beautiful transcendental form. It is described in all the scriptures in the Srimad Bhagavatam. There are many kinds of thousands shlokas, but still Advaitvadi log, people, they are not accepting the Sachidananda Vigraha of Bhagavan.
शंकर बात को जो है बहुत खंडित विखंडित करके
So in the Jaiv Dharma, Bhakti Vinod Thakur is, so much say the harsh words towards Mayavad philosophy. He has destroyed Mayavad philosophy because who was not accepting the Nitya Vigraha of Mayavad. Bhagwan Sajdanan Vigraha.
कहने लगे सनातन ये प्रेम जो है ये पंचों पुरुषार्थ का कृष्ण प्रेम यही हमारे जीवन है। त्रिवर्ग का जो धर्म का
So there is Trivarga, Dharma, Artha, Kama. This is called Trivarga. And then after that Mukti, the Chaturvarg, Mukti, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha is in fourth varg. Pancham Purusharth is Bhagavad Prem, Krishna Prem. And this is the topmost target of the Jiva. Lakshya. This is the proyojan, the topmost goal of the Jivas. Prema Prayojana Kevalam. Because Jiva is the living entity of the part and parcel of Krishna. And what is his duty? To serve Bhagwan. And when we get the seva tendency of service, when we get the Sambandha Gyan, the relationship with Bhagwan and the affection. Akarana. So with the Sambandha Gyan, with the relationship, we have to serve Bhagwan with affection. Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura, Adi. So their devotees are living. Their devotees are living. Bhagwan Nitya Parkar are living. So according to the Ras Madhurya, they are serving Bhagwan. All the devotees think himself they are topmost. In the Bhadra Dasha, everybody thinks I am the topmost. Nobody thinks that we are the inferior. Externally they are saying Tranadapi, but they are not. They don't think like this. And even a foolish person, even who doesn't say himself that I am a fool, whatever he is, he will say that I am the topmost. I am not the inferior from you. I am the externally they are saying, oh, I am your das, but externally they are very, they think that I am the best. So that's why they are saying. So whatever the rest they have, so they are superior. They think themselves that superior. The quality man, people say that, oh, we are the superior. If the person is full of quality, he says, oh, from the Das se Madhurya Ras is topmost. Murari Gupta, yes, Murari Gupta. So Hanuman in the Mahaprabhu Leela is Murari Gupta. Mahaprabhu said, oh Murari, so you perform the bhajan and sadhana of Krishna. So he cried whole night and was thinking, Mahaprabhu had obeyed me, so I am not following the order of Mahaprabhu, so I am going to die. Mahaprabhu knows everything. So he said, what have you hide behind? What you have hidden? So he was crying and saying, so I have sold myself to Raghunath, Bhagwan Ram. So because he is this kind of, he is the topmost, he is Srinath Janaki Nath Avid Parma. Jai Ho. Hanumanji is saying, I know the Tattva Siddhant. Srinath Janaki na Aveda Paramatmana. Both are the Paramatma, both are the Bhagavad Tattva. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari. Both are the Ishwar Tattva. Ishwara Bhed Kare Hoy Aparad. There is no difference between Ram and Krishna. They are the same Ishwar Tattva, Bhagavad Tattva, Paramatma Tattva. But still, who is our Ishtadev? Brajendra Ramachandra.
हनुमान जी रामचंद्र के दर्शन करके प्रसन्न हुए।
So Hanumanji was too much pleased to take the darshan of Ramchandra. When he took the darshan of Ram Sita, so he was so much happy. So you have heard this katha maybe in the Dwarka. Swayam Bhagwan himself to send to Garunji to please call Hanuman. Garunji came. Garunji came and asked to Hanumanji, Krishna is calling you. Keshav. Yadav, Yadunandan, Yadu. Yadvendra is calling you. Yadvendra is calling you. Yadvendra, topmost on Yadav, he is Yadvendra. So Hanumanji said, oh my health is not good, I cannot come. So Bhagwan Guruji said to Guruji, what did you told him? So he said that I told that Yadvendra is calling. No, Raghavendra. So he said the Raghavendra is calling you. He said go and tell Raghavendra is calling you. So he said, oh Raghavendra, Ramchandra is calling you. At once Hanuman. So Garun gave the news, oh Hanuman, earlier I gave the news that was wrong. Now Raghavendra is calling you besides of Yadvendra. I'm telling, I'm kidding. Raghavendra is calling you. Not a Yadvendra. Raghavendra is calling you. So Garunji was returning and he said, Hanumanji said, oh Jasiwal Ramchandra ki jai, and at once he flew away. At that time what Krishna did? Then he said to Baldev Prabhu, Rukmani, you take the form of Sita, and Baldev Prabhu take the form of Lakshman, and he took the form of Ram. And when Hanumanji came, he took the darshan of Ram, Sita, Lakshman. Oh, Hanumanji took the darshan, Ram, Sita, Lakshman. This is called the Nishtha towards the Ishtadev. When we think, when we differentiate, we think that Dasis is the Sakhya Shrish, then Daksa, and Vasalya Shrish, then Sakhya Shrish, then Madhurya Shrish, then Sakhya. So we are thinking like that, we are differentiate, and Swakya is, Parkya is higher than this Swakya. So there are many kinds of views in the Parkya. So we things like that. So all these descriptions has been given in the Ujjal Neelmani by our Rushira Goswami, where Radha Prakarana, Sakhi Prakarana. So everything is described there, one by one, step by step. Because this is called the Ras. This is called the Ras Vishar. Ja Jai Ras, Sai Ras. So in this way, Mahaprabhu is saying, so the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Sanatan, so I have told all the Tattva in the pride to your Rupa. So I have manifested in my power into the heart of Rupa.
यहाँ पर सब कुछ कहने के बाद महाप्रभु सनातन गोस्वामी बात की अंतिम कोशिश है, निर्देश दे रहे हैं.
So Mahaprabhu is giving the instruction.
इस समस्त शक्ति एक भक्ति शास्त्र की है, विचार को प्रकाश करो. और विशेष करके जो है,
so especially, so please manifest the hidden places.
और विशेष करके
and always establish the Vaishnav Shuddha Sadachar Grantha. and many kinds of Bhakti Smriti Shastra establish.
ये समझ
So Mahaprabhu giving this all orders to Shad Goswami, especially to Rup Sanatan. So he giving this order to Rup Sanatan, and especially Raganuga Bhakti and the Vedic Bhakti. So they have described all this differentiately. So this Katha we are saying like this, because there is one is Vedic Marg, one is Rag Marg. So why the Vedic Marg performing you are Vedic Marg, so that you will get the Vaikunt, and by the Braj Raganuga Bhakti you will get the Golok Vrindavan Dham. So in this way, so he told this kinds of all vichars. That's why Sanatan Goswami Pad, so is the topmost granth is which one? Bhakti Brad Bhagavatam Ratam. Brad Bhagavatam Ratam. So he has described there very nicely. He described all the things there very nicely. What is the speciality of Braj Prem? According to the Tartamya of Bhakta, so according to the ras of the Bhakta, Bhagavad Dham he showed, and according to the ras he showed to the Dham Vashishta Seva, the service of Dham. So that's why Brad Bhagavatam Ratam, if we are following that, so all the granth will be following. There is no other granth like that. Their tattva vichar is not written in the Brad Bhagavatam Ratam. So Mahaprabhu again and again telling to Sanatan Goswami, he is praising to Sanatan Goswami Pad. That's why Sanatan Goswami Pad, he showed everything there. Especially Braj Parikatve Parikiya Gopiya Bhava, he showed there. There are two Upakhyan. So he has described the first is Narad Upakhyan, another is Gopkumar Upakhyan. So he is described very nicely there. The essence of Bhagavat. What is the essence of what is the object of Bhagavatam is showed there. All kinds of Ved, Puran, Upkasham is the essence of Brad Bhagavatam. That's why our Rupa Goswami and other, so they have written this beautifully. They have written so many kinds of beautiful or the very highest grantha. Even our Jeev Goswami Pad, he is not inferior, he is not an ordinary. He has written so many granthas, but no one he has written the Tika on Vedanta Darshan, which is written by Baldev Vidya Bhushan Prabhu. He has to face that, and at last he, in the shelter of Govind Dev, by the mercy of Govind Dev, and Govind Dev himself wrote Govinda Bhashya. He manifested in the heart and written Govinda Bhashya. Baldev Vidya Bhushan Prabhu. Balvacharya, Nimaditya, Ramanujacharya, all the Acharya written the Tika on the Vedanta Darshan. So that's why our Acharya, just like our Jeev Goswami Pad, so he is the Tattva Siddhanta and Rasa Acharya both. He is a Mahan scholar, Pandit. He is Ek Chhatra Samrat, one crowned Samrat, king he was. Jeev Goswami Pad, Navdi Mandal, Kshetra Mandal. He didn't written. Why? Because the Srimad Bhagavat, there is a Garuda Purana shloka. So he quoted that the Srimad Bhagavatam is just like a Gayatri Bhashya Swarupa. It is proved by the Garuda Purana. He showed that. So that's why no Acharya, many Acharya, especially Vishwanath Chakravarti, before the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, He didn't write. He didn't write. He manifested the power in the heart of Baldev Vidyabhushan and he sent him to Jaipur. So Govind Dev himself, so he written the Tika on Vedanta. You really hard. So in the Sawa Rupa or Shila Rupa Sanatan Goswami Pad, we retain many kinds of things. The Brad Bhagavatamritam and the Brad Bhagavatamritam Tattva Siddhant, everybody followed. Follow kiya. So that's why it is saying Mahaprabhu is saying himself. Actually, Jiva Goswami Pad is Siddhant, but he didn't write. Vishwanath Chakravarti giving the order to Baldev Vidyabhushan to Govinda He was, he can write, Jiva Goswami Pad can write, but he didn't write. So Mahaprabhu is giving the order in the Shiksha. That's why the Shriman Mahaprabhu Sachinandan Gaur Hari, he taught the Tattva Siddhanta, all the Tattva Siddhanta to Sanatana Goswami Pad. So we will hear this katha tomorrow very nicely. Especially there are two kinds of Leelas of Bhagwan. One is Asur Vanchan Leela. He would like to neglect the Asur, he would like to avoid the Bhakta, and for getting giving the taste or enjoyment to the Bhaktas, he is doing the Leela. This is Bhakta Mohana Leela. So it is not true, the things of Asur Vimohan Leela, which is not true. He is just like a play, drama. Just like Madari, the Jadugar, the magician, they are showing something. It is not true. So why the many kinds of Tantra, Mantra, and why the cleaning of the heart? So they are caught your eyes and show you everything. This is pretending to be truth, but actually it's not true. So in the same way, Krishna's many Leelas are there, which is Maya Niminta Leela, which is there is Musa Leela, and many kinds of incarnations are there. Noishi Harana Leela, every kind of Leelas are there. That's why our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he described very nicely in the Bhakti Tattva Vivek. He described very nicely that how that all Leelas was manifested. So we are stopping here today. Tomorrow we will start. Vancha kalpatarvaishya kripa sindhuvevacha Haditanam Pavnibha Vaishnavabhyo Namo Namah. Bolo Shri Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. What? Chalo bhaiya. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna.